After over 30 years of building custom handcrafted log homes, Caribou Creek realizes that now, more than ever, people are rejecting the cookie-cutter cabins and turning to authentic custom log homes. Nothing comes close to the authenticity and artistry handcrafted log homes offer. The process of precision crafting hand-chosen logs for unique placement makes every inch of these homes one of a kind. Beautifully blending the distinguishing look of rustic with modern-day luxuries is where Caribou Creek excels. People are often surprised to hear that so much of our precision crafting process is done by hand, often finished with tools similar to what our ancestors used to build their homesteads. As a result, hand-hewn textures, along with other distinctive characteristics, such as hand-peeled tapered logs, showcase each stroke of the blade, preserving the crafter's individual touch. Handcrafted log homes epitomize the connection we can only imagine people shared with their homes in the rugged past. As an owner of a handcrafted log cabin, one can peer for hours along the rows of logs or into the crevices of notched corners, admiring the elegant artistry of the place they get to call home. Much like a stonemason takes years perfecting his craft, log crafting is not a skill one can pick up overnight. From understanding log fibers and textures to mastering the chainsaw and building an instinct to hand select the right log for each location, it takes nearly a year of training before a crafter is considered journeyman. Working as a log crafter is never boring. Each day is like figuring out a giant puzzle, says Cameron of Caribou Creek. With the enormous detail and precision that goes into a handcrafted log home, it's no surprise the time it takes to create a custom home is longer than a milled log kit or post and beam home. Because each log is meticulously chosen and individually crafted to match the adjacent logs, the process takes a couple of months. Once the last log is formatted, the home is carefully labeled and disassembled for delivery. Finally, the same skilled crew that precisely crafted the home travels to the build site to install the handcrafted log kit. Installs usually take from 3 days up to a week, depending on the size of the home. Because of our familiarity with the logs and label system, this time frame is drastically less than it would take a general contractor. It is easy to see why handcrafted log homes offer a unique alternative to cookie-cutter log cabins. They not only offer custom design combinations, but unmatched artistic flair. Consider scheduling a no-obligation consultation with one of our client service representatives to discuss your vision.